Hey guys, welcome back. And today in this video, we take a look on how you will be able to install Python IDLE on your Windows. So, in order to install the Python IDLE on your laptop or PC in a Windows 10 or 11, you have to just open your Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge or whatever the browser you have installed. Okay, so in order to install the Python IDLE, you have to just type in the search bar, you have to just type Python download. Okay, Python download. And after that, just press the enter button, and the first website will appear, or the official website of Python. You have to just click on this download Python. Okay, once you click on it, here we are right now we are making this video for the Windows. So here it is telling us looking for the looking for Python with different OS, Python for Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, and other. So right now we need for the Windows, so we have to just click on this Windows. Okay, just click on it. Once you click on it, here you see the latest release version of the Python. Right now is 3.12. Okay, and here we have an Python installer. If your system supports, okay, and if your system supports 32-bit, you have to install that one. Okay, if your system support 32-bit, you have to install this 32-bit installer, and if your system supports 64-bit, you have to install this 64-bit. Okay, once you click on this in my case my system supports 64-bit, so Windows installer, most of your guys also support 64-bit because latest PCs and are 64-bit supported. Okay, just click on this. Once you click on this, it is asking us where you want to install it. So I download it, download in the download section, download directory. So just click on the save button, and here you see our installation is almost done. Just a 25 MB setup. So go to the directory where we download this setup. Just click on this folder icon, and here you see our downloading setup is here. So in order to install this, just double click on it. Once you double click on it, it is asking for either you want to by default, okay, and customize the installation. You have to go with that one, install now. Okay, so just click on this. Once you click on this, it will installing. So just wait for it. Our setup is almost done. Just wait. Now you see our setup was successfully installed. Okay, just click on this close. Once you click there, and now you go to their start menu. Okay, you see a window icon. Just click on it. Once you click on it, here you see our IDLE, Python IDLE is here. Okay, if you not found here, you have to just type in the search bar IDLE. Once you type that, here you see our Python IDLE will appear. You have to just click on this open. Okay, just open it. Once you open it, you see, okay, here you see our Python IDLE is open. Let's say I will print something, print, subscribe. Also make sure to subscribe. And this one is a print function. If you are new, totally new, so it's okay, you learned that print function. We use it for printing something in Python. So just press enter. When you press enter, you see it will print subscribe to install experiment. Okay, so our IDLE is working fine. So hope so you guys like this video.